Hello and welcome to the Philippines. This is an update. This Metro Department Store fire at Ayala Mall occurred in, I think, January 5th of 2018. It started, and they thought they had to put out a couple of times, but the winds and their inability to get to the fire to put it out, too much smoke inside. There was no good way. They eventually started knocking holes in the outside walls in order to spray water or whatever else they spray in there. But went on for a number of days and destroyed. This is hooked right on to Ayala Mall, and then always interesting to me the logistics. You had to tear a building down, a large building down. You're going to need workers to start demolishing it. You're going to need some place to put all the scrap. You're going to need transportation trucks and such to transport. You're going to need a place to take it to dispose of all that. And if anybody knows some of those details, it would really be interesting to find that out. They have a good start on rebuilding. I think it's going to open sometime in 2020. And I will show you some views of the new construction. I will also show you they have opened up the basement level. The Metro grocery store has been open for quite a few months now, and they're making pretty good progress just in this building. And they've started expanding. They've got what they call the alcoves. And there's the alcoves being built right next door, a high-end condominium I've done a video about also. The alcoves extension, the alcoves wing, they've started opening up additional shops there, and I'll show you a little bit about that. Taking some video in there. But walls are starting to go up on the outside, and it'll be interesting to see the final product sometime next year, 2020. More and more building products coming in. And here's a little bit of look at some of the area they're expanding to off on the metro side, off in that direction towards the alcoves. And lots of new stores going in, new restaurants, and new dance studio. And that would be tempting. I've gone to dance lessons a couple times so many years ago, and that's not a talent that I have been born with, so it's a lot of work for me. Anyway, number of times I've been up here, and they've got chess games going on. Not sure if that's a club that they have or what the situation is. Different snack bars, additional snack bars, added escalators there, which is nice. And sometimes they get lines of people waiting to get into some of these popular places. So this is all pretty much new in the last few months, and it's expanding on several levels. I think at least 3 levels they've expanded into these areas. And here it is, almost November 2019, and lots of new stores being scheduled in here, getting in the process, moving in their products and their displays. For those of you who don't know, Ayala Mall is a large and very popular mall in Cebu City. They've got other malls around the country as well. They've got a big open terraces area here in the center, and that building under construction in the upper right, that is the alcoves I've just done a video about. And lots of restaurants and stores, coffee shops. Down on the very lower level, you've got some medical things. You've got a cyber zone for electronics. You also have right there on kind of the center, you have Seda Hotel. It used to be the Marriott, owned by Ayala. Seda is the Ayala brand, and Apple One, which is condominiums. I have friends staying there, renting there for I think on a lease. And around, this is up on the very upper level of Ayala. Many people miss this area. Lots of restaurants and bars up here outside also. And you have the new Metro grocery store down on the lower level, and they opened up that many months ago, and pretty well stocked now. There's still several things. I have to go to S&R, which is like Costco here, or Landers, which pretty similar to Costco and S&R as well. One thing I have noticed, a lot of imported items have had some major inflation impact here in the last 6 months. Many of the foreign foods. I don't know if it has to do with our spat with China or what the deal is, but many things have gone up substantially. The Australian Angus beef patties that I buy have gone up very high, but those are from S&R, and they've gone up from about 1,300 pesos for 18 large patties, I think third pound patties, to 1,900 pesos for those. So from 70 pesos a piece to about 102 pesos a piece. So 102, that's still, it's about $2 US per patty. It's still acceptable, but I'm starting to look for alternatives in some of my canned goods and that type of thing. But like Hormel chili or Denison chili, there are no alternatives from other countries. You get it from America, so you pay the price. Of course, you can make your own, and that's something that I will be doing more and more of as these prices go up. So there you have it, a little bit of a look at the rebuild of a Metro at Ayala Center and expansion of the Ayala Cebu City Mall. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like the video, please share the video, please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and I'll see you next time.